And you thought of maybe starting your own shop and do it on Facebook, but you're not sure how, and it looks like and it's gonna be so complicated and something that's gonna be so tough to do by yourself. I'll tell you now that it's super easy, and I'm gonna teach you right now how to start your own shop on Facebook and link it to Instagram. So we're gonna start now, but before I do, if you like my content, please subscribe to my channel, give me a like, and write in the comment below how is it working for you. Yes, no, but it's helpful, and we're gonna start now. When you start a shop on Facebook, first you need to go to the page settings. Over there you go to templates and tabs. Here, if you're going to scroll down first, you can see all the different tabs. So you can see what you want to put, what you want to remove. So let's say I want to remove this, for example. As well over here, I'm going to go to the shop. So if you scroll down, you're finding the shop, you just mark it in here and it's adding it to you. And now we can move to the next level and next step. So you're adding the shop here and we're going to move to the next step now. Okay, so the next step is if we go back to the home page, we can see here manage shop. Okay, so I'm going to click here and this is the window that's going to be open. So I'm going to first do the start a shop setup and it's going to show me what are the things requirements that are needed, what are the steps you're going to go through. So you've got a checkout method, business details, and add your inventory. Of course, I'm clicking here yes. If you live in the US, you have that option of link it to a US bank account. But since it's not a US account, my account, so those are the other options that I have. So you can either link it to a website. So for example, if you're selling your either it's products or services through a website. So for example, I sell my courses through either Udemy or landing pages that I have, so I can link it to that. The other option is the checkout with messaging, which means that you can connect it to your WhatsApp or to the messenger in your Facebook and people can reach out, and as per that you start managing it. So you choose one of the options, and as I said, for example, for me, I do have landing pages with an external link. So I'll go for the first one, checkout on another website. So all I need to do is put my email address. So for example, for this one, I want to choose this. Then I'll do next. Then I'll write the name of the catalog. So here I'm going to write online courses. And then I approve it. This is the catalog of the specific products. And then it shows me again, I can either submit it for a preview or I can just agreeing to that and submit shop for preview. So now I can go to my page again and I'll go to manage shop. And here it's going to show me the two options, either a preview for the shop or also to have the customized shop and basically to start managing it. So I can manage the catalog, I can customize my shop, and I can actually also look for insight and see more information, and that's the analytics side. So let's start with the go to commerce manager. So now you can see this is the dashboard actually when you are working on your shop. So you can see here the catalog and you can add items. You can see the insights, which is very good because that's going to help you to understand who's reaching out to your website or not. Also on the left side here, you can see in the insights, all the information, the catalog, all the things that you can add, items, everything on that you need. You can also put ads. So you've got it here as well in case you want to. Again, overview, you go back again, the dashboard, you can link it as well to your Instagram account. You create a shop on Instagram, and that's why, and super easy and super simple to do. It's really going to guide you step by step. I want to connect to my Instagram. All I need to do is go here and click on add Instagram account. Before you link it to the Instagram account, make sure that you do have products in your catalog. Without that, the platform not going to allow you to link it and to complete that process. So this is very important. Make sure you have products in your catalog. Because my accounts are already linked, so it's so easy. It will find it here. You mark it, as you can see, and all you do is click next. For you to add products to your catalog, all you need to do is go to the catalog and click on the item, and then you will be able to add it. You can either as manually, which you will see now. Okay, so you can add it one by one or as a bulk, or even use Pixel if you're using it. I will choose the add manually. So after clicking next for the manually, we're going to see it here. So I can upload the picture, I can more than one. All I need to do is really follow here, put a title, description, website link. I can do the currency. So you can choose it, you put the amount, what's the price, what's the condition, the brand and content, like all of that. So you're going to start this and then you're going to put next. As you can see, I've completed all the data here, and I can even play with the currency, put a price, everything I want. I've put it here, all the information that I need, and that's it. All I need to go is click on next. So as you can see here, once we click the yes, we got to the display option. So of course you can make the visibility and availability. So if you don't have the product in stock anymore, just click here and remove it. If you don't want to sell this product anymore, just remove this visibility and that's it. And from here we go to the next, and of course you always can go back. Okay, great variance. This is also very important. So if you're selling products, you can literally just add variance and then you can either choose color, custom edition, flavor. It really depends on your product, your size, everything. It's all dependent on what you're selling. It's not relevant for all type of business, but if it is relevant, you can add it. So for example, if I want to add color, okay, because I'm selling a certain product that I've got in different colors. So all I need to do is write the name of the color, see, black. And I can do white, and then I just put like enter about each and every one of them. Now I want to edit them, so I'll go to enable edits, and then I can show which one I want to show, which one or not. So I'm removing them from here. I can give different pricing to each one of them. For example, then I can do a discount, okay, for each one and whatsoever. So I just do it, I post it here. Once I'm done, I can do finish, or I can do disable edits, either add another variant, or if I don't want it and I regretted it, so I can just delete. And once I'm done, I'm just clicking on finish. Once you've done the finish, I've added that product to my catalog. I can either add another item and click here, or I'm done with this and my product is already there. Here, for example, when I go to the catalog, to the items, I can see my products. So at the moment I've got the same course, but in 2 different languages, so it's 2 different pricing. So you can even see how it works. For example, if you want to share and send something like in rands and maybe dollars or euros, so you can play with this, but all fall under the same category for me, which is the catalog of online courses. So I can always click here to add more items. If I'll go now to my overview, I can see that I've got in my catalog 2 items. I can always add more, and once I'm done, I can just publish my shop and that's it, and it's going to be there. So you take it from there. So for example, I've decided that those 2 items, it's more than enough for me. Now I can always, of course, add more, change more, and play with this, but I want to move to the part that I can publish my shop. So all I do is click here. Once I've connected it to my Instagram, I've submitted it for approval, and they will come back to me with answers. As you can see, my account was already approved. That was very quick. Now I linked it to my Instagram account, so I'm still waiting for this marker to know that it's been approved. And on the same time, all I need to do is start publishing my shop, and that's it. And I'm good to go. Now that I'm publishing my shop, all I really need to do is start organizing it and put it in here so I can actually have a website. As you can see, you've got the layout here, the style, and in the style you've got the colors, the text, the buttons. You can add, you can change, you really can do something nice for yourself. But that's how I want to start working. Okay, so I'm going to go to dynamic. In here, what I'm going to do, I'm going to choose the manually. Okay, select the product. Then here I can choose one of them. Okay, it won't let me choose the 2 of them. So here, let's say I've chose this one, and I'm just clicking on confirm. So as you can see now, this is how my store shop going to look like. This is the product, and that's how it's going to look like. Now I can add another one. Okay, so I'll go here to the left and I'll click on add item. There's the option of collection, so I can create a new collection. So that's a feature, and it's depend again on what type of shop do you have. There is the option of adding a product to the page, so you can of course choose it manually. And there is the option of grid. Okay, so you create again a grid that can show the top 4 products. So as it says here, and it's super simple, so you can work on it as again over and over again, depend on really the amount of products you've got, what the type of products that you've got, and all of that. In my case, I want to add another product. So as you can see now, I've got my 2 products here. I can see them on the left. I can even change them and replace one on top of each other, change the way they look. Here I've done the same picture for now, and you can see the different languages. So that's it. Basically, this is how it's going to look like. And I can even do a preview, which is going to show me how it's going to look on your website. And you can click here to view that product. As you can see, as I said, you can also change of this. So I can change even the button here that you can see the different ones. And here, for example, I've chosen this one because I think it's more my style. And once I'm done, I'm doing publish updates. So as you can see, once I've done my shop being updated, don't forget to keep on checking your shop and see what you need to add, what you need to remove, what you have in stock, new products, everything, new pricing, promotions, all that. Go and do it. Now that my shop is live, so you can see here, for example, I can go view my shop live. So I can see inactive, and then I can go here to look at, I can go to the edit, I can do more stuff. And as you can see, this is back in my dashboards here.